Yeah, everyone, welcome. There's a question that says simplify 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5. This question you might think is not correct, but this question is correct. But then how do we solve a question in this manner? The first thing we are going to do is to use the last fraction. So we are going to focus on the last fraction, add the last fraction with the denominator of the previous fraction. So therefore our step one will be the last fraction, which is 1 over 5, plus the previous fraction, which is 4. So I'm going to say 4 plus 1 over 5. So whatever we have as our answer, so let us find our LCM. First of all, this is 5. 5 times 4 will give us 20 plus 1, which is 21 over 5. This is our step 1. Our step 1 is 21 over 5. So this 21 over 5, we are now going to divide it by this 1. So this will now give me 1 divided by 21 over 5. That will become our step 2. Our step 2 will now be 1 divided by 21 over 5. The division sign can be changed to multiplication sign, and this will give me 5 all over 21. So our step 2 is 5 over 21. Then we go back here. Step 3 says we are going to subtract this 5 over 21 from this 2. So it will now be 2 minus 5 over 21. Step 3, 2 minus 5 all over 21. So the LCM is what? The LCM is 21. And when we multiply, we have 42 minus 5. And that's 37 all over 21. Our step 3 has given us 37 over 21. We are now going to go back to the question. This is our step 4. Our step 4 says we are going to divide that 37 over 21. We'll divide it by 1. So it will now be 1 divided by 37 all over 21. So this will now take us to what? Step 4. Step 4 is equals to 1 divided by 37 all over 21, which is also equals to 21 all over 37. Now that we have gotten to step 4, let us check what step 5 will lead us to. Step 5 will lead us to we adding these 2. Remember, we divided this 37 over 21 by this one, so we are now going to add this. So it will now be 2 plus 21 over 37. So step 5 will now be 2 plus 21 all over 37. Finding the LCM, this is 37. 74 plus 21, which is 95 all over 37. So step 6, remember we added these 2. So in step 6 we are going to divide 1 divided by 95 all over 37. So it will now be 1 divided by 95 all over 37, and that will give us 37 all over 95. Now step 7, which is the final step. Step 7 says now that we have gotten 37 over 95, 37 over 95 is now a proper fraction that will be added to the whole of this 1 over 2. So step 7 will now be 1 over 2 plus 37 all over 95. The LCM is what? 190. If you find the LCM, this will give me 95 plus 74, and therefore my final answer after everything that I have solved is 169 all over 190. So from step 1 to step 2 to step 3 to step 4 to step 5 to step 6 and finally to step 7, everything has given me 169 all over 190. So that is the end of the question. Feel free to share, like, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.